almost turned out really, really well. Almost. Well, hello there. My name is Jenny. We are going to make a bath bomb together. I am not someone who has ever made bath bombs before, and I'm really having fun diving into this new world of bath bombs. One of my challenges for myself is to make more products with these gorgeous oils that I know and love. I want to kind of branch out of the typical inhaler. I want to challenge myself to get a little bit more crafty and just get outside of my comfort zone and make more just fun things like bath bombs. I went to Michael's yesterday and I went back to the section where it's all about soap making and DIY, products. We are experts in essential oil work, and diving into this area of bath bomb making is new for me. We're going to start with our dry ingredients. 1 cup of baking soda. We need 1/2 cup of our citric acid right here. 1/2 cup of our cornstarch. 1/4 cup of our Epsom salt. It takes a little alcohol to make all of this come together. Really mix this all up really well. We need some kind of alcohol component. If you use water or you use hydrosol, for example, it's gonna foam up because of the citric acid and because of the baking soda. Now for a little bit of color, because that's fun, I got this spirulina, and the recipe just says to put a pinch in. Let's go ahead and make up our wet ingredients for this. 2 teaspoons of this argan oil. Now I'm gonna put in 1.5 teaspoons of our alcohol. Let's go ahead and grab our sweet orange. I love that. So I'm just gonna put in 5 drops. So I'm gonna go ahead and stir in my wet ingredients. So you wanna make sure that you are mixing this up until it's the consistency of fine, wet sand. We're just gonna slowly pour this in and slowly mix it up. We don't want it to foam up. I'm just gonna put my hands in here and really work it so that it is the consistency of wet sand. So you can kind of see it kind of balls up like that. That's exactly what we want. That's great. Okay, now I've got my molds here. If you're getting excited to make bath bombs, I know I am excited to make a lot of bath bombs. If this was a week ago, everyone in my life would be getting bath bombs for Christmas. I want to leave a little room to bury those toys in here. Let's choose 4 little toys out of here. Oh, this is good. Look at this little thing. This is a nice little body to something. Let's go ahead and bury that in here. That looks fun. We've got a little unicorn head. That looks fun. Let's put him in here. Here's a little piece that could go really well in there. Let's put in a little hitch in there. Okay, we've got our toys in there. I'm gonna finish pillowing these in here. You really wanna gently fill them, kind of overfill them, so that it creates these little round molds. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the top, and you just wanna gently pop on the top to these. And you just press it down. Now we're going to want to let this set for 12 to 24 hours, and then we're going to let the bath bombs cure for another 24 hours before we actually use them. But I do want to show you how this fizzes up because it's pretty cool. This might get messy. Who's ready to get messy? I'm going to show you what this looks like. I'm going to take this. Who's ready? Here we go. It just fizzes up so nicely. And look, it's so much fun. It has that green color. It's fizzing all around. And then of course, kids or kids at heart can dive around for those particular toys, which is just so great. I'm so excited about this.